Today we're going to be installing new cabin air filter and engine air filter for 2018 Chevy Tahoe. Let's get started. Screws. They're 5/16. We're going to unclip the sensor and we're going to loosen this, and we should be able to remove this cover. Oh, there we go. There we go. I cut this clip that was holding this wire in place. I'm going to get a zip tie. I'm going to remove this completely. Screws. See if I can get this back in there. To install a cabin air filter, we have to remove the glove box, or at least lower it quite a bit. Get rid of that. On the inside is this retaining strap. We're going to pull the strap from the outside forward and out, and it might retract a little bit back, and that's fine, we'll grab it later. Now I'm going to push the sides in. And the box should lower further. Now we can see the screws that need to be removed. We're going to be removing them with a Torx T-15 bit. And we have 6 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on the side, and 6 hiding up in here. Letting this catch the hole. This now exposes the air filter back here. It's behind this honeycombed panel. And to remove this panel, we're going to stick our fingers behind this top clip here. Give it a tug right on the top, pulling it down and out. Now I can remove this panel. Now, we got some schmutz in here. Can you grab the edge of the filter? Hold it straight out. Wire away. Track of the orientation here. Whoa. Oh, look at that. yeah, I would say that this needed to be replaced. We have our new filter. Now there is an airflow marking. The air flows down, which obviously we can tell all the debris is trapped on top. Airflow down. We're going to insert the filter just like this. It's in. Put the honeycomb cover back on, the 2 feet, and go in the bottom, and then we just have to push it up top. All right, after leaning over a bit and using some light, I was able to finally get the 2 bottom feet in, and now push, push, and that is secure. Now we just reverse the process to put the cover back in. And we will take care to grab the retaining strap, fish it through the hole in the bottom. Don't forget that strap. All right, we are going to reattach this clip. And now push the sides back in. We're done. If I can fix it, so can you.